This is the weighted version of the Adductor flexibility flow. You can start at the top of your mat in mountain pose, ground through the feet, create that torque in your hip sockets, tone your lower belly, tone your pelvic floor. Inhale, circle sweep the arms up, look up, head and extension. Exhale, forward fold over the legs, hinging at the hips, all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift, come to a flat back and hold, tone the belly, Uddiyana Bandha, transverse abdominis, exhale, fold. Step back to a high plank. Exhale as you lower, chaturanga, wrapping the elbows in. Inhale, upward facing dog, knees lifted, glutes on, shoulder blades retract. Exhale, downward facing dog, ha. 2 breaths in downward facing dog. Inhale and exhale. Keep fascial tension in the hands, utilizing the Dabosa technology mat to spiral and create that full fascial tension and cross the entire fascia of the hand. Inhale, take the right leg up, 3-legged dog, point the toe, stacking the hips and hold, keep driving the opposite heel down. Exhale, knee to nose, step the foot through the 2 hands. Spiral the back foot down, pick up your club with 2 hands, whipping the muzzle over the handle, warrior 2 and hold. Tone the triceps, find your scapular depression, turning on your lats and breathe. Get out of the traps as much as you can and get into the lats. Transition into Skandasana, shift the weight into the back leg, club comes to prayer first, and then press out to 2-handed flag, finding your shoulder pack, lean the upper body back against the club. Fold the club back through prayer, and return to your warrior 2. You can always modify with the modified side flag if needed. Hold. Clubbell switch, inhale, pass the club to the backhand, and exhale. Eye gaze follows the club. Extended side angle modified, right forearm down, trace your club up to that vertical plumb line, and breathe. Option to extend the right hand down towards the instep for full extended side angle. Use your trunk to remain lifted and try not to collapse into the bottom arm. From here, extend your right leg slowly to Trikonasana or triangle pose. Lean the upper body back, find that vertical plumb line, and breathe. Slowly return back to the starting position. Clubbell switch. As you switch, bend and externally rotate, coming to warrior 2 in the front leg. Hold. Energy shooting out equally through both arms. Eye gaze follows the club. Take reverse warrior. Press your club straight up towards the ceiling. Option for hand trailing down the leg. Option for half bind, reaching the hand around and hold. Eye gaze up, lengthening the neck. And slowly come back to warrior 2 and hold. Clubbell switch, inhale. And exhale, unsheathing the club, using the lats. Take reverse guard, left elbow in, right hand turned out. Cartwheel the club down with fascial tension and step through Vinyasa. High plank, tone the glutes, tone the core. Chaturanga, low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog, knees lifted and hold. Exhale, downward facing dog, ha. 2 breaths here. As you're moving through Vinyasa with the club, really emphasize those pauses and really breathing through the poses, relaxing the face muscles. Inhale, take your left leg up, 3-legged dog, point the toe, stacking the hips, find that open hip posture with big external rotation of the left leg. Exhale, step the foot through the 2 hands, spiral the back heel down, pick up your club with 2 hands, keep the torque as you windmill open to warrior 2 and hold. Tone the back loop. Externally rotate the front leg, having that external rotation come from high up in the hip socket. Shift the weight into the back leg, Skandasana. Club comes to prayer, and then press the club straight out in front and hold. Return back to warrior 2. Clubbell comes through prayer and hold. Keep an upright spine here. Clubbell switch. Inhale, pass the club from hand to hand. Eye gaze following the club. Extended side angle modified. Left forearm down. Trace your club straight up. Aware of the clubbell muzzle, staying upright the entire time. Strengthening the wrist muscles by finding that inversion. Option to go deeper. Extending the left hand and hold. Tone the belly here and breathe. Keep rolling your upper body back as much as you can, bearing load in the posture. From here, slowly start to straighten your left leg, entering Trikonasana, triangle pose. Notice the geometry of this posture. Notice the triangle underneath the legs. Notice the triangle from top hand to outer foot to bottom foot or front foot. Notice the triangle underneath the hand and the trunk. Feel all of those lines nice and sharp. And hold. Slowly come back to the starting position. Align the hips and spine. Clubbell switch, inhale. As you switch, bend and externally rotate the front leg and hold, finding your warrior two. Straighten the front arm completely. Find your shoulder pack and lat engagement. Take reverse warrior. Press your club muzzle up towards the ceiling. Option to have the hand trailing down the leg or half bind, reaching around and hold. And breathe. Steady the breath, calm the mind, calm the face muscles. Slowly come back to warrior two with control. Aware of the body moving through space. Clubbell switch, inhale. And exhale, unsheathing the club. Find your reverse guard. Right elbow turned in, opposite hand turned out. Cartwheel the club down with control. You will pause at any point and step through Vinyasa, high plank. Chaturanga, low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog, stretching the tops of the feet, toning the glutes here. Exhale, downward facing dog, ha. Run for 2 to 3 rounds of breath here. And then get assists. Pressing the upper iliac crest, down and back, rounding. Let the spine hang. Unshrug the shoulders away from the ears, spiraling out here. Micro-bending the elbows to create access in your T-spine. Inhale, lift the heels. Exhale, bend the knees towards your belly. Walk or jump the feet to meet the hands, landing softly. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, fold over the legs, ha. Inhale, circle, sweep arms up, look up. And exhale, hands to prayer in front of the heart, and hands by your side. Mountain pose, be still. And breathe.